All right, we're back for video 3 in the series, chasing the P0304 on the Fiat 500. Today is going to be a leak down test. So we are going to start by doing a leak down test on a good cylinder, cylinder 3, and just looking at the percentage loss there. This is mainly just to learn the tester. I want to learn this tester on a known good cylinder. Get it proved, and then I will move over to my zero compression cylinder. So we're going to find top dead center by turning the crank. I've basically got the feeder hose in here for the leak down test, but I'm just going to use this to find the compression stroke. You know, on the compression stroke, I'll have air here pushing my thumb back, right? So that's how we'll figure out exhaust versus compression stroke on 3. And then we will find TDC the old-fashioned way with a flashlight and a stick of wood. So the crank on the Fiat, you actually come in through the wheel well. There's a little plastic panel down here you remove to get at that crank. And so we've got a long extension here with a 15, and I'll have a helper turn that crank for me as we look for TDC here. Okay, we did a test on cylinder 3, and it held just fine and proved our tool, proved our methods. I learned how to use the tool for sure on cylinder 3. Just this particular one and how its valves work. So we have moved on to cylinder 4, and you know, I'm not even sure if I'm on the compression stroke. This cylinder is apparently so open that I can't even feel compression as the piston comes up. So not sure what I'm going to get here. Okay, that last test definitely showed air leaking out the exhaust valves. But if you recall, I was never certain if we were on the compression stroke because I couldn't get any compression at all when turning the crank. So just to be 100% sure of what we're looking at, we've now gone top dead center in the other stroke. So we'll confirm now. If we lose out the exhaust again, then we're pissing out the exhaust on both strokes, and that's going to confirm an exhaust valve rather than just me being on the wrong stroke last time. So we will begin to apply some air here. And you see that needle stop, right? We're not able to get any more compression than this right here. So let's go see what we got. Let's get that noise out of our way. Go see what we got. Yeah, if you guys can hear this. All right, so we are losing our air out of the exhaust on both strokes. There you have it. All of the evidence right now, plus the reputation of Fiat 500 Abarth, points to the exhaust valve being burnt. We will pull the valve cover and get a look at the cam and the valve system. We'll read through the shop manual and verify my understanding that the multi-air VVT system is intake only. Shouldn't affect anything on the exhaust side, but I'll double check that. And I believe that after the valve cover, next step, we'll be headed to pull the head off of this so we can get a look at the valves. But we'll keep chasing this down. We'll end this video here with the leak down test to keep it brief. And I will post another video once we've taken the steps with the valve cover and pulling the head.